there it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1960 MGA Mark 1 1600 Roadster, finished in this really attractive red with a beige leather interior, matching beige soft top, 4-speed, front disc brakes, 48 spoke wire wheels. Really good little older restoration here. Seems like it had a pretty decent quality restoration, but probably 10, 15 years ago at this point. Really good running, driving car. It does have a chippy first gear, like one of the teeth on first gear is kind of clunky and noisy, but we do have the replacement parts for that gearbox. We've got a cluster gear and a first gear that go with the car. So, but besides that, runs and drives great. Runs, brakes, stops, steers. We're going to show you that in the video. But pretty good paint and chrome overall. We are going to do a little bit of touch up on some of the edges to spiff it up, but overall a very nice presenting glossy paint work with good chrome. And the Mark 1's, the Mark 1 1600, it's a really good model. It's, you know, it's got the 1600 engine with front disc brakes, most everyone's favorite. So, but yeah, older, very nice driver condition car that we purchased recently from the state of Tennessee. Just a little slow walk around here. But yeah, really pretty driver condition MGA. If you're in the market for a one of these beautiful period 50s MGs, super good little car here that needs to be looked at for the price. So yeah, let's take a look at this car's interior. Really attractive beige color. It's not tan or biscuit, but it's kind of this gray beige. Beautiful condition leather seats, leather armrest. All the cappings are in good shape. Carpets are in great shape. Properly painted dashboard. It's got the original steering wheel. Show you the door panel here. Yeah, this color is called beige, which I like a lot more than biscuit or tan. Just kind of a nice light gray beige color. Really suits the car lovely. Pretty good windshield. Decent windshield chrome. Let's take a look at this car's doors shut great. So yeah, also it's fitted with a beige top. You can see in the still photos that's in really good condition. Just slightly one little tear. Let me find the trunk release here. We're going to also look at the engine compartment next. So back here, a pair of aftermarket side curtains. That's the original spare wheel cover there. Really nice solid trunk throughout. And then I'll show you this engine compartment. This car's fitted with the original 1600 engine, which is nice for collectability going forward. As you can see in here, beautifully detailed engine compartment in really good condition. This is the original 1600cc engine. Runs great, but like I said, just needs eventually maybe that gearbox repair on the first gear. Besides that, the transmission's fantastic, but just some of them, maybe their foot slipped off the clutch and put a little chip on that first gear, so there is that noticeable noise, but that's an easy fix down the road. But yeah, really lovely 1960 MGA 1600 Mark 1 Roadster with front disc brakes, wire wheels, correct 1600 drivetrain. Super attractive older restored driver condition car, but really, really, really pretty. www.kurttannermotorcars.com. Good solid underside, good straight car, pretty good panel fit, very good value for the money going forward. 1960 MGA 1600 Mark 1 Roadster. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.